Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Rolling there in motion in the Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
All right. Good morning. Setting some things up real quick. Cute. I don't know what's going on with Mike. Being a little late, I think. Run through some analysis. Skeletor, good morning. Lewis, good morning. Miss K, good morning. Mikey, good morning. Happy Friday. What we got over there? Mikey. All right, 2 minutes, minute and a half till open. Got 4-minute chart. Try to make it quick. We did come to the bottom of this range. We've been in since September. Did get a nice push up off of it. So see if the longs are wanting to step in. Try to push back to the top. Don't know. Feels a little bit different this time. Maybe we push up to the value area low and go back down. I don't know. A lot of good stocks are really down. I think Microsoft's down like 30%. Amazon, I think, yesterday also. Don't want to do that. So, a lot of good stocks. Down 25, 30%. Also, you got Bitcoin dumping. You have other things dumping as well. Go to the hourly. Had kind of a downtrend, pushed up. Still didn't quite break that high that made the low. So, really still in a downtrend on the hourly. 30-minute looks a little bullish. See what they do at the open. We are up 0.4% on the day. 2 minute. And market open. I know Mike was having some computer problems, so we'll see what happens. Give a kind of sideways head and shoulders. Stupid drawing tool would work. Order canceled. That's all I get is how. The trade was so fast, all it said was order canceled. Right there, taken by the range bot. Took a 0.1 second trade.
Hello?
Hello?
Don't hear you.
This is me. Is that you?
Volume is on full. You hear me? Give a thumbs up.
I hear you.
No, I don't hear you. I'm on my phone. Maybe Bluetooth. Hold on.
I hear you. Over and out, eh? Guys, y'all remember those old radios where you talk to somebody and you say over? In Canada, they say over, eh?
Says it's working. I'm seeing my speaker.
You gotta turn your volume up, dude. What you doing, man? Get to work. Well, the market's holding up a little bit. I almost thought it was going to open and just dump. So, buyers are there. As we've seen from the 4-hour chart. Another trade, order canceled.
Anyways, what I can tell you is when I click on your image and I get the settings, the speaker for you is turned off. Voice settings, it shows an X.
That's on your side, buddy.
So there's no point in me being here. I'll go back to trying to fix my computer.
You gotta turn the volume up. Hold on. I put you on there you go. Can you hear me now?
Oh, Lord. The fun we have, huh?
Yeah.
I know you can hear me. Okay, I'm going off. I'm going to trade.
What?
My phone just closed. I'll be back soon, I hope.
Well, apparently he's still having problems. You never hung up there, dude. This guy don't know how to work a phone. How do I kick him out of his own chat? Really? You gonna do me like that? You messed up my camera. Okay. Hopefully he hung up. Once Discord gets your camera and you back out of it, it likes to mess up the camera. Now, what do we got? 4-hour bull still pushing. Y'all see something? Let me know. Since Mike ain't gonna talk to me, I hang out and talk to you guys. Morning bot took 2 trades so far. Oh yeah, probably about 25 points. Yeah, about 25, 30 points. Where's the other chart? Not that one. Skeletor, shit. I closed and opened Ninja because of lag and something wrong with one chart. Now don't connect to Apex. Come on, man. Man, Ninja's been having some issues lately, ain't they? What do I got? Connected to Bullinox. I don't have any lag. My lag's good. Skeletor, you working today? Want to come on chatting a little bit? So let me know. If not, no big deal. Working. Cool. Still pushing. Anybody get into the long? I guess there was some good signs. I had no need to get into the long. I had the bot taking trades. Failed to start camera. I'm gonna message this guy. You gotta hang up, man.
Yes.
Hey, on speakerphone. Hey, the stream might hear you. Hey, you have to disconnect from Discord, man. You're still connected.
Yeah, I know. It's like my phone was still connected. Yeah, I'm coming in. Discord, I got this. I reinstalled it. It's working.
All right, man.
Are you having fun?
I'm good. I just don't want you stay in the front of the camera whacking off or something to be on the stream. Bye.
Okay, I'll be there I think I should be there in a few seconds.
All right, bye.
All right.
Ain't nothing worse than being in front of something that you think's off. Gotta be walking through in his tidy whities or something. Paralyze the stream. There he is. Let me turn you on.
You want to turn me on?
Oh, God.
Hey, I didn't say it. Guys, you heard. He said, let me turn you on. Those were his exact words. Just saying.
How can a guy be so excited about a guy saying something?
I'm not excited. I'm just pointing it out.
I'm telling your wife.
You always point out when I say things that can be misinterpreted.
Call on JC. Anybody got JC's number?
Yes. 555 JAYCEEE. CEEE. What are we doing?
Next time she comes on stream, I'm gonna have to ask her for a number. That way I can start telling on you. Go straight to the boss. Straight to the CEO.
Straight to the CEO. Oh shit! Thanks for reminding me. Okay, I'm almost there. Am I on your stream?
Yeah. That's what it says.
Okay.
I was trying to tell you that, but then you start talking about turning you on and all this other stuff, and it's getting weird there for a second. I was going to see if Skeletor wanted to come hang out, but he's working. We gotta get people.
I'm really surprised.
We gotta get people coming on the stream anyway. It's been a while.
Yeah, we forgot about that. We've lost touch with our viewers.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you become YouTube's #1 daytime streamer, eh? Success went to your head.
At least the #1 in this house, huh?
Guys, I'm trying to talk to him. I'm trying to reason with him, but his ego's become so inflated lately. Me. How I put up with it, I don't know.
Up 1% on the day for the NQ?
Yeah. All joking aside, what a disaster with the computer, but it's pretty cleaned. Like I said, I know what happened. It was I won't go over it too much, but it was 2 apps that I installed for
I know what happened
videos.
too. You broke it.
And they installed very dirtily. They didn't properly uninstall.
It's okay. Pain in the butt, but
Yeah.
you'll work it out. Well, was it about 6 months ago? I had to take a whole week off. My computer wouldn't work.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Fried the whole computer. I had to use Chat GPT to teach my computer how to be a computer again. Oh, man, there was so much. GPT had me reprogramming the computer.
Yeah, what a help. There's no way I would have been able to do this. We did stuff that I never even heard of.
Tell me about it.
I had to download an app actually that was tracking which processes were trying to load a certain thing. Really cool. It showed them all. It was amazing. I said, wow, look at that. It was just like, it was 2 things that were just jamming, 2 registry files.
Yeah, when I was having issues, GPT had me programming all kinds of stuff. I was so lost. I told my wife, I said, this computer's shot. We're just going to have to reset it or something. And I just gave it all up to GPT, man. I was like, Do your thing. Hopefully I have a computer left. I didn't think it would ever work. It was day after day after day. We're constantly programming stuff. I don't know what any of this is.
That gives good guidance, though.
Yeah, we had to teach the computer how to run commands. I mean, lately GPT's kind of sucked for like programming code and stuff, but for other stuff, I mean, it still does a pretty good job.
Yeah. Well, I can tell you, I worked with DeepSeek yesterday to change the game, to make it the lead the field game. And it doesn't give you the code in like segments where you have to click continue. You know, you got to sit in front of your computer.
Like Claude.
They finally got rid of that stupidity. So it gives you all the code now in one.
I thought DeepSeek did that before.
You used to get a little message. Continue with the message, with the reply, or you know something.
No,
like
that was Claude.
No, it was DeepSeek. For me, it was DeepSeek. I used to complain about it.
I don't remember that one. Maybe y'all have an older version of DeepSeek or something.
There's no older version. It's online.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I see the point. I get you. I hear you.
Nice push up, guys. We are coming to a 4-hour gap. So we want to put on how we react to this gap. We also have value area low shortly above us, 25,050. Yeah, we react here. Anybody that jumped in these longs, good job.
This day's a throwaway day. It's 9:48 already. I don't even have my platform open yet. I don't know if I have a stream scheduled. I got Discord opened. That's an improvement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the one thing I didn't check.
Check.
Yeah, check. It's one thing I didn't check. Check. Mic check.
Still sick. Really, we're taking another trade here.
Volume's pretty good.
Ooh. Good.
Ooh.
You stupid. Butter.
That's not what you want to hear after a person says, I'm taking a trade. Ooh, you stupid. Ah, Lord.
It happens.
It happens. Am I connected even? Accounts. Okay, I see my accounts.
No, I was looking at it and been a bit choppy lately. I got out about break even. But I'm not gonna risk it way up here after what happened yesterday. And I think it was when I first started with this, working on this bot, I said there was around February, March that it had problems. Had to switch it up a little bit. I'm wondering if we're getting back into that now. It's crazy. I've got almost a year's data on this bot.
Wow.
Yeah.
I got a question for you guys out there in YouTube land who are trading with Apex. Can you trade gold? I can't trade gold anymore. We're getting a bounce off the 200 on the daily. Can you see my charts?
No, you got your stream up?
No.
How am I going to see your charts?
I see them.
Well, yeah, you're there.
Okay, well, let me look at my charts. And you see my glasses? Look at the reflection in the glasses. So you see how we're bouncing off the
Yeah, I see what I got to
200.
put up with.
You see how we're bouncing off the 200 period moving average? You see? Right there?
I got a Bullet Knot shirt on.
Did you see where? Oh, Lord. What do you want to do today?
I thought we were going to play some games, do a giveaway.
You want to go bowling after the stream?
Guys, y'all want to go bowling?
I used to love bowling.
Can we use the bumpers?
Yeah, you can use the bumpers. I haven't gone in a long time. I mean, I used to go with my friend. We used to always, like golf, we always used to play for money. That made it so much fun. Okay, guys, I'm getting closer. I'm opening up OPS now. So far, I made a big $20 testing my system.
Somebody told me that I'm lying to people about the codes on Apex. What is the current code discount on Apex?
Codes? No, discount. Probably 50% right now. How are you lying? We don't know what they are. Nobody knows what they are.
Like,
yeah, but you got to watch. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of true. You kind of got to watch your ads, you know. I tried to change mine wherever I. But there's, you know, we got them here, we got them there.
look,
You got them in night. You got to remember that they're in Nightbot. You got to remember that they're in the images. Like my images, I think still say 90%. Yeah, they do.
look, that's too much work. Look, it's up to
No.
90%.
You have to create a file that gives you a process from start to finish.
We talk
Instead
about
of
it
relying on.
stream, tell people. So, do the best we can do.
Are you really though?
Hey, that one took a second entry. I should have took that one. Oh, man. They love you. All right. That bot's done for the day.
Mine are fixed.
On to the next.
I don't know why I'm not picking you up.
Hmm?
I'm not picking you up. Did you put your camera on mute?
From Discord?
Yeah.
You know? It's on your side, man.
If you like action and you want to invest, well, then there's one market that I know is the best. So get in there now. While the getting is good, you'll make more than you thought you ever could. And it's bold.
Yeah, this chart.
Fight now. And if you are still standing when the dust clears, then you're the winner of the futures market here. But if you fail, it ain't the end, because there's another round that is around the bend and it's bold. Fight now. And if you're still standing when the dust clears, then you're the winner of the futures market here. But if you fail, it ain't the end, because there's another round that is around the bend and it's bold. And there, fight now. It's the bullet bear fight now. And you know what? It never ends, because there's another round that is around the bend. So if you're still standing when the dust clears, then you're the winner of the futures market.
We got TV playing?
Who?
You. Yeah.
No. No. Why?
Hearing like some weird noise.
Mm,
Maybe you were
cool.
watching TV.
No. No.
Damn, Nightbot, calm down with the smash the like button. You get it up yet?
I'm not touching that with a 50-foot pole.
So that was a loaded question, huh? I was gonna say they got spills for that.
Yeah. Okay, so it looks good, right?
You should see these YouTube ads we keep getting about that, right? And got the kids sitting
Oh my
there.
God. Yeah, I
And,
saved one. I was going to send it to you.
Oh man. I mean, it wouldn't be so bad if you weren't sitting there with your kids, right? And it's like, I don't even want to say it on stream. It's like, they're putting this stuff in ads. Some of the ads now you can't even click off of. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
You're sitting there with your kids and they're talking about this stuff and an ad you can't even click off of. YouTube. You gotta do better. Watched a video this morning. The guy said that more people watch YouTube than Netflix. Actually, I think more people watch YouTube than all the other streaming services put together. Except for maybe TikTok. People like their TikTok.
I kind of feel like I heard that they were scrambling and worrying about losing share to TikTok, and TikTok was killing it. And
yep, they said the same thing about search, which is up, I think, 17%. Oh, YouTube, Google search is dying. It's only up 17%.
mm,
What's this Bob been doing today? 1, 2, 3 wins, 1 loss. Get it, man.
boy, even hey,
Hey. Guys, how we doing today? Mikey, you been taking some of those trades? How they been working?
hey, Mikey. Did you know we make no claims of profitability?
I don't make any claims of anything. Except
We
for the
make
fact
no-
that we may or may not trade drunk. Look, that's my insurance plan. I just keep saying we trade drunk.
And nobody knows what's in your bottle. Nobody knows what's in my coffee cup.
I keep telling y'all, it's alcohol. I keep telling you. No one can. Nope.
Which, by the way, can be anything.
See, I'm taking the same route as the news networks. Remember, I seen this thing a long time ago, and this guy was talking about suing like Fox News, and he went to a lawyer, and he's like, "Oh, they lied about me and all this stuff." And his lawyer told him, "You ever notice how Fox News and CNN, they get these people on there, and they look like they just grabbed the homeless guy off the street? These people are like talking all kinds of crazy shit."
Quiet.
He said they do that for a reason. So when they go to court, they can show that video and say no one in their right mind would ever believe that CNN or Fox News tell the truth. Did you know
I'm
that?
not sure if that would work.
Yeah,
honestly.
it works for them, yeah.
No,
They say-
I'm not sure.
Just like The Onion, right? They say weird shit. So you're like, no one in their right mind would believe that they're telling the truth. It's entertainment. Yeah.
People believe everything and anything, especially if it's on a
No. All they have to do is show that no one in their right mind would believe it.
Well, what's a right mind?
It don't matter. See, you gotta know how to
I
work the
believe it.
loophole.
I'm in my right mind.
And you believe the news?
Yep.
Did you see that study they did? And I think it was like CNN. Like people to watch CNN had the news wrong like 60 or 70% of the time,
Yeah.
and the people that watched Fox News had it wrong like 50% of the time.
Oh,
And the people that didn't watch any news at all had a higher percentage of getting it right.
Makes sense. Hey, Miss K, I'm back.
Live
I
in
think everything
action.
is fixed. Live in action. I think everything is fixed.
Yeah, Michael, it's all entertainment.
Not gonna work on figuring out levels.
All I gotta do is get a homeless guy one day, have him come hang out and say a bunch of weird stuff so I can get it on video. So somebody tries to sue me, be like, look, hey, every day we trade drunk and there's some weird guy talking about aliens.
Yeah. Well, it's still good to have a disclaimer on your feed.
Mike, Monday you show up, tinfoil hat, okay? I know you worry about it more than I do. I don't tell anybody to take any trades. Everybody has to. Everybody's got to wipe their own butt when they go to the bathroom, right? Not here to do it for you.
Yeah, but they can say it's implied. That's why I have that banner going across all day long.
Hey,
I don't know
if you want to pay tens of thousands of dollars to take me to court to laugh at you and call you names, let's do it. I'm not scared of court. Lewis, great morning so far. Lewis, it is a great morning so
Lewis.
far. Sounds like Lewis is killing it this morning. Lewis, did you take it off of that 4-hour gap? Do we have the hourly gap? Yeah, hourly gap too. We could hourly 4-hour. And what do we have? 5 minute? Oh man. Lewis, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that you took that right there. 5 minute inverse hammer on an hourly gap.
Might be getting a long trade soon. We'll watch it. We still need a little bit more to develop on this. We just got the market structure shift. Only step one.
He said, dude, you're looking at my chart.
It's going to be hard to get step two.
I was trying to show it on my chart. I had on the wrong one. Man. What happens when you have too many charts? Anyways, for anybody that didn't see it, inverse hammer right there. Go back out to the hourly. You see that gap. I did point out it on the 4 hour earlier. Nice 4 hour gap. Go down to the 5 minutes. That's what the 15 had. What's the problem? Yeah, more NinjaTrader errors. I get a lot of NinjaTrader errors. 15 minute. I don't like that one as much. I guess you could call that a harami, but I don't know. Rather the 5 minute inverse hammer off that 4 hour gap, 1 hour gap. So now, do we break the low? Do we keep this where the short step in? Break the low and just dump. See a trend line, break the low, break the trend line. We are still, what's this, hourly? We did kind of push above the high that made the low, but really it's just a sweep of liquidity, so we'll have to see how it acts.
Do you know what I lost yesterday?
Not again.
Omnibot, Omni-Man Super Trend.
Oh.
I had to redo it. Remember somehow the restore got rid of it, which is really weird because a restore is not supposed to get rid of your work.
Depends if you had the save point before it or after it. Or no, I don't know, there's a kind of gray area because, right, the whole purpose of a restore is that some program might have caused an issue. So I don't think it's supposed to get rid of your files, but maybe it's got to fix the programs. I don't know. Question is, did you do a backup before you restored?
No, I didn't.
I gotta make a video on how to do a NinjaTrader backup.
Well, I told you last night I did I did the full backup, the whole hard drive, before I started working on anything.
Well, then go into your NinjaTrader folder. It's been a few months. I haven't had to do it. Guys, there was a while there I had to restore my NinjaTrader every day. Every day. It was exhausting. Let's see if I can remember. You know I forget stuff really fast. Let's see, go to your C drive program files. NinjaTrader. Might have forgot.
Whoa. Okay, targeting 21 points here, in at 08. Targeting 31. I'm in at 98 actually, for real. So I got my 20 points. I got 30 points actually. I took it. Yesterday I had some guy come on the overnight stream. What a lousy trade. What a shit trade you're in. I said, well, I don't know. I don't know if it's a good trade. I don't know if it's a bad trade. No one has a crystal ball. The guy was like razzing on me. I said, we'll see. That's all I can tell you. You may be right. I don't know. I have losers like everybody else. In the end, it worked out. I tried to razz him. I said, so whatever his name was, I'm going to make a video on it also. not to shame him, but just to get the point across that this is a probability game. You can't make a call like that. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if a trade's going to win. Anything can happen. You're playing the probabilities. You're building setups and you're playing the probabilities. So yeah, I'm going to show how that worked out. And I said, okay, are you going to own it? You know, be a man and own it, that it actually went to profit and that you were,
Hell no.
Wrong to, he didn't reply. Wrong to tear down my trade so aggressively. Look, all you have is an opinion. Your opinion's not 100% right. There is a probability that your opinion is going to be wrong. And even if it is right, am I supposed to follow you? Like, is that my plan now? I have to hook up with you and I can't stream with Omnius anymore. I got to stream with you.
Give me your number so I can call you before every trade. Make sure I'm allowed to take this trade. I think a lot of people fail to realize that you have to create a plan over preferably like months. So you have to do what's best over 1 month, 2 month, 3 month period of time, not what's best for just today. Like I have to figure out my strategy for a 3 month period. Okay, if it does bad today, well, I mean, that's life. I can't wake up in the morning and say, hey, today's the day my strategy is going to do bad. Right? I mean, sometimes there's some signs, right? We wake up and we're just chopping back and forth. It's like, I'm not trading this shit.
Right. You're bloody well right. I just missed a trade to the short side. Shit. I wanted to take it. Omnius, why are you always talking and telling me to look at your charts and look at this? And did you see this? Did you see that? I miss everything.
I'm trying to teach you how to be a trader and have 1 million wins in a row and never lose. It's so easy. Just don't count your losses. You got to rethink of the way you look at it.
Yeah. How are we doing on the volatility? I should definitely be covering a 2-lot on the short. Should have covered it at around 770, to be honest with you. I'm late by 20 points. These bots are killing it, man. Every day it's the same thing. Money, 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 money. Let's cover the other two here. Let's lock in that 230 bucks. Let's remove it. Well, that's the thing, though. You know, someone would put it on, and he'd say, "Hey, it's not making money, 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 money." But I'm playing it manually. I'm playing it like an instrument.
Right.
Let me just show you quick. Are you busy, or you can look?
Oh, I can look quick. I also know exactly what you're saying.
The Renko board.
You take a bot that you can see the data on, and then you put in your manual trading with it.
Yeah.
Did you guys code your own bots? Yes, Michael Lodian.
Nickelodeon.
Michaelodium.
Michaelonium.
We just go with Michael, or do you really like the Michaelodium? Am I even saying it right? I don't even know. Mike, you're my name guy.
Michaelonium.
Did you guys code your own bots? Yes. Every bot that we use was coded by us. We don't use any bots.
Bullshit. You don't code your own bot.
Okay, let me back up.
You ask me to do it, and then you just make a modification.
I make too many changes to ask somebody else to do it.
I'm joking. He makes his own. We make our own bots.
Michael Odom.
We
make our own bots. Do we code them? That's kind of a yes or no answer because typically use AI to help out.
Yeah, we don't type. We don't actually go into the code.
Do I start fresh and type out all the code by myself? No.
You've never done that?
No. You know how accurate you have to be? Like, you mess up like one or two little lines or something and screw the whole thing up.
Yeah.
I've never been that
I've
accurate
done
in
it
anything in
with,
my life.
I've done it with Thinkorswim, with ThinkScript.
I've cut and pasted codes
Yeah.
to get what I wanted.
And I did it with one other one. I don't remember what. I also created a Python API that got into data. And you could use it for backtesting. It would go pull out data from a server.
How about
Run a
Michael? Does
backtest.
Michael work?
Mycolonium? Mycolonium?
I don't know. Call him whatever he likes. He likes Michael, call him Michael. He likes Michael.
You want to
Odom,
know if he
Call him
works?
Michael Odom.
Oh, we got a long. A big long. Let's see if I can get in for a better price.
Yeah, Michael, we every bot that we use is our own bots. You got to be careful buying other people's bots because a lot of the prop firms now, they have rules against using paid bots, but they have exemptions for using their own. And what they don't want is they don't want a bunch of people using the same bot taking the same trades.
Which is why we only sell our bot to 10 people for $10,000 a copy.
No.
That way they're not, it's not saturated. The market's not saturated.
No.
Or we can sell a losing bot for a better price. If you like.
Amazing the amount of people that's already asked to buy it.
I'm joking.
Apparently people making a lot of money off selling bots.
I'm joking. Anyways, I was saying, so one of my bots, my second bot is short. I know it's short. Can you see my Renko chart? It's under the bands.
Yep.
And it'll stay short until it gets above the band. So every time we get close to the bands, I enable it. So it takes the short position so that it's synchronized. We go down, we get a profit, I take it. It goes back up near the bands, I go short again. So I'm keeping my risk low, and I keep milking it for profits.
So what you're saying is what you need is
I play it like an instrument.
what you need is a band low minus what do you call it? I think it's hard. Standard deviation. You need band low minus standard deviation. Draw you a line. You can only take trades above the line.
I have it right there. You see that line? That's my guide. That's my take profit guide. When we get towards that line, I know we're extended.
Well, you could do the same thing with another line to take the trades because you want it to be close to your band to take the trade, right?
Yep.
So all you're saying is you want like a 0.5 standard deviation has to be within that.
You are right. I could turn it back on. I could use a Boolean switch and take profit. No more short trades, let's say. But when you come back to the band, short trades enabled, and you can enter again. Yeah, you're right. I never thought of that.
I used to set
because what I was doing is when I used to set a take profit, it would only enter the trade once, and then it would wait for it to flip bias. But you're missing the opportunities when you can milk it 2, 3, 4 times.
Michael, have you been working on creating? Michael, I have been working on creating my own bots in MT5 over the years. Seen a lot of bad results purchasing them.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you can ever be profitable. I don't want to say ever, but it's going to be really hard to be profitable using somebody else's bot. The reason why is the market's constantly changing. A bot's no different than a strategy. You have to adapt to the current market structure. So if you're just buying a bot from somebody and you don't put in the work to find out how it works in different conditions, then there's no way for it to be profitable. I mean, you might have short periods of profitability, but even with a bot, you still have to constantly show up and put in the work and monitor it to find out how it's working to the current market conditions. I guess I got on the other chart right now, but the bot I have on the stream now is basically.
Oh my God. You couldn't read that name? Michelodium? Michelodium.
Didn't you call somebody the wrong name for like 4 months?
Is there an I? No, there's no I in his YouTube name. No, that wasn't me. That was the other guy you were streaming with. Who did you used to stream with? I don't remember what the guy's name was.
And Michael, I use this bot. It's based on a super trend, and it's basically along the lines of how I trade manually. So I was able to get a bot to kind of do what I do manually. I haven't been working on this. It took me a while to get it working, but now that I finally got it working, I'm slowly making upgrades to it. But I also have another bot that I trade, and the other bot's kind of my priority, because this one I manual trade this way anyways, so I really don't need this bot. The other bot is it's more my priority. The other one I've been working on for a long time. A lot of people hated the other one for a long time, but sometimes I don't even like showing it. It's a degenerate way of trading. This one uses a range system, kind of like the ORB strategy. Just my setup's way different. And the risk to reward is very inversed. But if we look over here, this one is very accurate on the back testing. I think you can see it there. Let's go back over here. One of these screens will get us there. There we go. Look at that. This is the results.
Nice.
It makes money. It's not degenerate. Well, it is very good at passing evals. But the question is how good is it working currently to use on other accounts I'm not supposed to talk about on stream? But this is 3 months of data. You can see right here from 11 to 2/6. So yeah, 3 months of data. It's actually 96 days of data. It's currently at a 3.16 profit factor. Profitable percent profitable 92. So it just had a few losses. So it brought down the percentage a lot and the profit factor. But 3 months of data on a rather conservative setting. The max drawdown it's taken 1,400. The other day that was like 600. So it did take a few huge losses. I think yesterday was one of them. I remember. So not something I would ever use on a personal account. I do use it on evals a lot. Sometimes on the other accounts I'm not supposed to talk about. But if we go over here,
you're not supposed to talk about.
Some firms don't like you trading bots on. I want to go shooting myself in the foot trying to explain stuff to people. Always got to have that possible deniability, right? Well, you can see the graph here. It's the graph for the last 3 months.
Well, here's a loophole for you. If you run a bot on Sim and you copy trade, are you using a bot? Aha. Are you using a bot to trade your account? Not really. You're copy trading. Oh, shit. Wow. We're cleaning up, man.
So we can see here, this was the trade for yesterday. My scrolling tool. We can see right here, this 658 was that net profit. gross. Not sure why the net and the gross is different. It don't matter. So it was around $700 loss. Up here, there was another one around 6. You see right here how it's been getting the drawdown, but they get beat up a lot. This was what, 130 and 1.6. So in the past week, this was what, Friday, and Thursday. That's what I always talk about. Can your strategy handle the drawdown for what you need? Mike, you've been making me talk all day, man. You gonna talk? Really trying to get those word counts down, ain't you?
Yeah. I installed software that counts the words now. We'll have an accurate thing to go by. I'm almost done. I'm creating an ATM strategy.
Okay, I'll keep talking then. Also, Michael, the super trade bot that I trade, like I said, it's more how I manually trade. But then I also use the 2-minute to kind of show direction. So I want to see price action. How is the market reacting? Are we in a trend? Are we sideways? Then I'm using this chart. It kind of as an entry chart. So sometimes I'll use candles on the 2-minute. Sometimes I'll use this is a 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi. Sounds complicated. It's not really. But most of the time I'll use this one for entries, and sometimes I'll use a 1-minute Heikin-Ashi. This bot here, not really as accurate on the back testing because it uses super trend. Trying to work with Claude to get it better. We did get it a lot better than it was. But it's currently at 8,300 for really kind of the past week and a half. Profit factor 1.94%, profitable 93. That one's only over a short time frame. I would really want more. Like I said, I haven't really been working on this bot that long. I have, but I ran into some issues. I've been focusing on the other one, but would like to get this one going.
Okay, I think I'm done. Workspace. Save. Okay, perfect. I'm done. I'm ready to join the stream. Okay, I'm going to go take a coffee break.
Hey, it's my turn to take a break.
Did you look at my stream?
Try not to. Why?
Did you not notice the obvious?
You always look like that.
Look at the names.
Yeah, it's on your shirt. It's backwards.
You know, your name.
Oh. Look, if you want to be Omnius, you got to have a beard. One thing we will not tolerate is an Omnius with no beard.
Just for today.
I was just kidding. About time
it's too long to move it back.
About time to shave my beard anyways.
Why are we long for? Does anybody know? And where are we long for from? Oh, that's a good place to be long for from. Oh, that's perfect.
One day I'm going to show up without a beard. Y'all going to be like, who is this guy? If I put on a different hat, y'all won't even recognize me. I might shave my beard and show up with no hat. I told you the real Omnius don't even wear a hat, just a clone does. The AI clone.
Yeah, you know, it would be real funny.
What?
If we actually passed each other in the street, I swear to God, I'm not asking this facetiously, would we recognize each other?
Probably
because
not.
we're not used to seeing each other live. And I'm terrible with faces.
Me too. My wife used to have to tell me who people were. We'd go places, people be talking to me, I'd be like, who is that?
Come on, you can reach.
Oh, we had another confluence on that short also, Lewis. I didn't even see that one. We had a break out of the open range and back in. We had the 1 hour, the 4 hour gap. We had the inverse hammer on the 5 minute. And we had to break back into the open range. You took it for the inverse? No, the fall back in the open range. Yeah, so that was some strong influences on that one. Great trade, man.
Yesterday, he pronounces his name Sunni.
Who?
Not Sunny.
Who are you talking about?
Yesterday, you were asking how to pronounce the name, and he said it was Sunni.
Who?
Well, you're calling him Lewis.
Lewis is Lewis. Sunni is Sunni. It's in the name, man. It says Lou is.
Lewis.
He is Lou. Lewis.
Lewis. Why am I short? Oh, I know why I'm short one. Killed the stop on this. It's a fire stop. Not a big fan of fire stops. Yeah, definitely not a big fan of fire stops. Whoa, look at that.
All right. I gotta go refill my drink.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. If I'm not back in 2 minutes, you know what to do.
Arnold.
Wait 2 more minutes.
No! Stop putting in orders. Talk about a flip-a-rooney on the position size, eh? A 14 lot. That's a little bit overexposed. But the bot says this is where the money's going to come from. We get another little bit of a push up. I think I'm going to lighten the load on it though. But it did recognize the strength. Oh, I see it. I definitely see it. Hey, Gabor the Hun. Welcome to the show. We'll just keep a 6 lot. 1, 2, 5, 4, 9. We're actually supposed to be long 9. So if it comes down, perfect. Let me add a 3 lot. Now we are long exactly what we were supposed to be long. And we'll watch it. And this is not supposed to be 10. This is supposed to be 5. I don't know if it'll allow me to change it. But I want to change this to 5. Let's see when the bar closes if it puts it back to 10. 4, 395. A little bit of a countdown. No, yeah, put it back to 10. So I gotta disable it and adjust it manually. Hurry up, hurry, hurry, hurry. It's gonna get hit. I think. We don't know, but I think it's gonna get hit. Gabor, be sure to show up next week for the New York show, for the New York Open. We are going to have a new giveaway game called Lead the Field or Beat the Field or Take Profit Trader. I don't know yet. Take Profit Trader is already used by a firm, but it would have been good. Actually, we might use it today. I'm not even sure. But today's the finals for all the qualifiers of the week. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Okay, I'm not really paying too much attention to trading because 9? How are we 9? Oh yeah, it is 9. It's 5 and 4. I have two different systems entering trades, and they're both long. I understand that it is 5 and 4. That's 9. If it gets below the super trend, I should be short 1. That's weird, eh? But that's how it works. Hopefully we don't go below the super trend because it's a little far away. I hate giving back profits. You know, like this is a good day. 2,500 on a bot trade. Wow, look at me looking up at the sky like that.
Who's giving back money?
When you trade with bots, they give back a lot.
Yeah,
it's a lot of give and take. It's a lot of give and take.
Yeah, it's Friday. Friday is not the day to give back money. Get your pot and stop it.
Hello, JC.
We lose money on a Wednesday, we have Thursday and Friday to make it back. If we lose money on Thursday, we got Friday to make it back. If we lose money on Friday, well, I
got a long at 20, targeting 27, 73% probability we hit 27. I'm in at 14, so I'm going for 13 points. I have a 13-point target.
JC, good morning. Omnius sound is terrible.
He's sick.
Mike's making me sound terrible.
I have a 13-point target with an 8-point stop, 73% probability.
Lots of echo.
You're right. Thank you for telling me. No more. Echo's gone.
Thanks for getting on to him, JC. JC, I told him that I was going to tell on him. I said, when your wife gets here, I'm going to tell on him.
No, what he said is he's going to get your number. He's already trying to get your number.
Yeah, I said I was going to get your number. That way, when he acts up on stream, I call you and you get on to him.
He hasn't answered one of my phone calls yet. He always lets it ring and then texts me. But he wants your phone number.
I don't answer phone numbers. I don't know from strangers.
Messenger.
My mom and dad tell me not to speak to strangers.
Yeah, that's right. I'm still a stranger. Until I spend a weekend in your house, I'm a stranger. Come on, don't stop me out. What's the stop?
Mo better. Coming to
6.
visit. I heard you like that. Coming to visit?
Huh? Yeah. We're going to find you. We're going to track you down. I have a satellite scanning Florida looking for you and your 2 kids and your wife.
I might have to go hide at somebody else's house. Either
Omnius
Skeletor or Lewis. Wasn't Lewis the one from Florida?
I
think it was.
There's so many.
I have to go hide at somebody else's house. I live in North Georgia, right?
Mm-hmm.
I seen a meme. I was talking about all the people coming to Florida. So it shows a map of Florida and Georgia, and it says Florida's up here in Georgia.
Mm. That's a map joke. I didn't get it. I failed geography.
No, it was a joke about all the people from up north coming down south. We're trying to confuse them on where the Florida is.
I don't know. Every time we drove through Georgia, it stank. That was a long time ago. It stank like sulfur, like rotten eggs. I don't know if they. What they
Probably
use
driving
there.
through a mill town.
Mm.
Lewis, lose money on Friday, spend all weekend thinking about it.
Mm.
Yeah. I wouldn't spend all weekend thinking, but depending on how much you lose. But man, if you can just end the week green, and on Friday green, I feel like you just so much better mood for the weekend.
Mm.
Like, I don't mind a losing day. I do like having a green, positive week, if possible. I mean, it happens. But to go into the weekend green and have Friday green, I'll even if I'm only up a few $100s or something on a Friday, I'll just take it. Like, be happy. You want to push it? That's what Mondays and Tuesdays are for.
Just be happy. Just be happy. Stop.
Some days, though, they just keep giving you money and you can't really help it.
Yeah. Oh, TP hit beautifully there. A little late, but better late than ever.
How many is it? 10:43. Got a little bit longer. We're gonna do some qualifiers today.
Not sure.
Let's try to get a qualifier. We had Lewis this morning, Miss K, Mikey. Who else was there? I think that was it. Yep, Lewis, Miss K, Mikey. My poll: who would win in a fight? Darth Vader, Magneto, Pinhead, or SpongeBob SquarePants? 46% said SpongeBob SquarePants.
I know, that's what I said.
That's what I said too.
Who doesn't love SpongeBob?
Darth Vader came in second at 27%. I thought there would be more for Pinhead. Y'all know who Pinhead is, right?
No. Sounds scary. Sounds like from a horror movie.
You don't know who Pinhead is? Cinnabite?
No,
Comes out of a little
Cinnabuns. I know Cinnabuns, but not Cinnabites. Cinnabites sound good. They sound like little Cinnabun. Like
How's there so many movies that you don't know? Do y'all not watch movies?
I'm not into movies anymore. I used to be when I was young, but not anymore.
I think the movies came out in like the late 70s or early 80s or something. Hellraiser, yeah. I used to like those movies as a kid. Y'all remember Pinhead saying, I show you pain, legendary, even in hell. Old guy. There ain't no old guys on this stream. Right, Mike?
Yep.
Good thing about trading. You can be 20, you can be 75, as long as you can still get your eyes open far enough to see what's going on and press the button. If you can't see good enough to do technical analysis, you can do the coin flip strategy. We did an experiment with the coin flip strategy for a while and even showed that it works. So
34, targeting 41. Can I get in at a better price before we hit 41? No, we hit 41.
Breaking out of the open range again. Been a while since I plotted initial balance. No old guys on this stream. We don't ask for ID.
3 for 3.
You can be as old or as young as you want. We don't ask for ID. I don't know, Mike, do you ask for ID?
Nope.
You don't ask for ID either.
Just if you're trading and you're under 18, don't advertise it.
There was that one kid, right? What is it, like 14 or something?
I don't know.
You were like, dude, if you're 14, it's cool that you're trading, but you can't come on here and tell everybody you're 14 and ask for advice. Like, we're not telling anybody how to trade, but we are definitely not telling some 14-year-old how to trade.
Mm.
I think you were like, if you're 14, you better be trading sim and not your dad's account. No, I think that'd be awesome.
It's 10:47 and I'm finally set up. Can you believe it?
I'd like to see my son get into trading like that.
Mm. Still young.
Something about the child's mind, just the way they can see things, so much different than the way we can see things. We've lost that brilliance. There was a guy, I forget the guy's name, but he did a study, and it's like by what age like kids lose their brilliance, and it's crazy that by the time you get out of high school, like it starts out, it's like 90% of kids are brilliant, and then by the time you get out of high school, it's like 20.
Mm.
Like they've taken your mind from you.
Yeah, I'm back, Mikey. I'm back. I had a lot of computer problems. I thought I solved them all last night, so I was able to run the overnight stream. But I didn't check Discord. That was the one thing, and then I had a problem with Discord in the morning. I had to reinstall it. And then my phone was blocking me. A little bit of a mess, but I think it's all fixed now.
Beat. Lewis says he knows a 16-year-old that trades. That's awesome, man.
Hmm.
I'd love to see my son jump on the charts. The way he sees things.
Oh, man.
I wouldn't even teach him how to trade. I'd teach him like the basics. Just let him develop his own.
Yeah.
Go get your boy trading. Yeah, I think the younger they start, like just to be able to see that world with a child's mindset, I think would be amazing. I think it was Beethoven that said it's so complicated the adult mind can't comprehend it. It's so simple a child could.
Hmm. Okay, you know what? This Omnibot is killing it. Omni-Man. Thank you very much, Omnius, for the ideas. But I'm missing some of the trades to take manually also. So we are going to put in... It probably rocket past me, yes. We are going to put in an alert, an alarm for the entry.
Remember I had the kid on stream that one day
Rusty.
and talking about trade, and I was like, whatever you do, just don't go the ICT route at first. Like learn from yourself first, and then if you want to do that later. And I was like, don't tell him that. No, I want him to use the untainted mind first. You can always learn all that stuff later.
ICT is all the old stuff. You just repackaged it.
Mm-hmm.
Support, resistance. That's the liquidity sweep. That's support and resistance.
Okay, and when
The only thing is
when he learns that, great.
Here's the great thing about ICT, though. He lets you know there's going to be a liquidity sweep. Inexperienced traders see the support,
Mm-hmm.
and they put their stop right under it.
Right.
Now you know, don't put your stop right under it. Think about looking for an entry after we sweep it. He's changing the mindset a little bit, you know, dialing it in a little differently, which is good.
Lewis, what size chart are you trading?
Volume died.
I'm on this chart here, the Heikin-Ashi, the 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi.
Quickly. ATR 30. We got volatility still.
For some reason, it's supposed to be low enough that you can actually see it, but for some reason, it keeps getting moved. I think Mike comes to my house when I'm sleeping, goes on my streaming software, and moves all my stuff around.
I have the same gremlins.
You'd think, right? You put a chart somewhere, it just stays there. But not on this software.
Add miscellaneous. Play sound. File name. We're stuck in yesterday's range.
PDH, good morning.
I didn't get enough of a... I like that. I didn't get enough of a morning analysis in. Unfortunately. Don't really know where we are. I should go take a look.
Won't even let me move the chart up.
I really like the way I coded this butt. It's beautiful. You did a good job. $11 payouts last month. Way to go. Goal was 20.
I just had it. Add a text. Yes, 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi.
Smells good in the room. I'm running a diffuser with the eucalyptus smell. Yeah, that is awesome. I'm trying to get up to 12 per month. 6 every 2 weeks, but I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. Hopefully soon. I have the infrastructure.
Yeah, early. Not time yet. Come back in an hour. Yeah, Lewis, I used the 2600 on the MNQ. On the NQ would be 2000. Never really put it on the ES, but I would assume that would be 2000 also. MES would probably be 26.
Short at 29, and I'm short at... Really? They got me?
Yeah, early. It's not time yet. Back later.
I got FAFO'd.
Mike, tell my dog it's not 12 o'clock yet.
It's not 12 o'clock yet. What's your dog's name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Mila.
Nice name. I like it.
All right. I'll put her
Hey,
outside.
Wood Chip. Wood Chip, Wood Chip. Welcome to the dungeon. What's going on? Well, I had a lot of computer problems that I had to deal with, but I think they're all fixed. I was in a good pace last week of the month. Got that 5 pets. Expenses was okay also. 1/5. There's a lot of improvement that I've been working on it. It was around 4/5. 1/5 is excellent.
I guess if your dog shows up early wanting to go outside, you might better let him outside. Huh? We don't need
They're
no,
long.
we don't need that shit on a Friday.
Why are we long? Only 5. Yeah, it is very good. I would be super happy with that.
Wood Chip, good morning. Lewis, only trade NQ. Yeah, then try the 2000 volume Heiken-Ashi. Then I also have a super trend that paints the colors and a 50 period EMA band.
I'm showing we're going up to 92. 90. I'll take it there. Someone is killing it today. Nice job, Mike. I think it's Omnius that gets the credit. Look right at the top left corner. AA006 Omni-Man Super Trend. This is an idea I took from Omnius, the way he trades. He finally let me in on his trade secrets, so I coded it. I mean, I made it my own, of course. I'm never 15K plus overshoot and VWAP for shorts time, 25K. Is that bot or demo? Well, those are two different things, but Woodchip, it is a bot on Sim. I do take the trades on my PA accounts. I'm not doing much on my PA accounts. Yesterday was a great day for my PA accounts. This is it. This is all you get to see. But in my defense, I came in very late. I had major computer problems. The stream started after 10. I didn't know. I don't know where the market is. I don't have my feel. So I'm just taking it easy. But the big numbers you see there are the bot, are on Sim. It's the bot trading on Sim. And I use it as guidance. And the thing I really like is like over here, you know, buy at 73, targeting 92, so that was like 20 points. If you can get a few points better, you know, if I can get 5, 10 points better, those are the trades that excite me. Hey, Joker Trades, are you trading eval? No, those are all PAs. No evals here. They're all PAs. I don't have any evals right now.
Evals are too expensive right now. We'll get some discounts.
But you know what? Apex figured out a really good thing. 80, 90% off, or 80% off with a $75 activation fee. It gets people to pay the 80% because they're seeing the low activation fee. I'm sure it's doing really well for them, that promotion.
Where do y'all find the current promotion for Apex? Is it on their website?
In your email or on the website, yeah.
No, I'm not good with email.
Yes, I noticed. I sent you a few.
Hey, did I ever tell you I'm not good with email?
Yes, you did. I sent you a few.
So the current promotion for Apex, that's it, just 50% off?
Yeah, that's what I would think. That's right. You can find all the discounts at propdealshub.com.
Mm-hmm. Is that updated daily?
I'd love to know how he does that. So many companies, and you got to check it out. You know, are you waking up in the morning? Do you check it out? Do you hire someone from Freelance or Elance to do it for you? You know, check what's changed. Shit, I missed a nice long there.
Might be able to program AI to update it.
Yeah, I'm sure you can automate it somehow. Everything I do is automated. What did I just type in yesterday? Python just gave me an automation. Oh, you know the video, the hosts? I forgot to tell you. Hosts 8, you know how I sent you Hosts 8?
Yeah.
Takes 10 minutes, really? Wow, you got to be using some type of automation. I automated it with Python.
So I got a complaint, or maybe a complaint. So can I find my complaint real quick?
Sure.
This says Apex is 80% off. So is it 80% off? Or is it 50% off?
What do you mean this says? What's this?
The website. What'd y'all send me to?
Who we didn't send you anywhere.
Sometimes I just have to remind myself that he's Canadian. Like he's Canadian. He's Canadian. Just calm down. He's Canadian.
Okay, let me check the website. If my computer crashes, it's your fault.
Like one day somebody's gonna knock on my door and they're gonna be from Canada. They're gonna punch me in the nose, be like, "Keep hearing you talk about the Canadian people."
Apex Trader Funding. Nothing. There's nothing on my page. Refresh your browser. My homepage shows nothing.
I don't know why they make it so difficult to find. Don't you want people to know it?
Hey, why is it difficult to find? It's on the homepage. How more simple can it be?
Didn't you just say you couldn't find it on the homepage?
No, it's not there. There's no special right now.
It's 50%.
That's not a special. Honestly, I check all companies from X, and I have a single sheet that controls all. I will just discount 5 to it. I'll just put discount 5 to it, 5% to it.
EDH says 80% off. Learn more.
Where did he say that? I don't see that. Oh, maybe because I'm on Top Chat again.
On the website. Don't I keep talking about the website?
I don't know. I'm not listening.
I can tell.
I'm hungry, but yesterday was a cheat day. You know, I'm down 10 pounds since my daughter put me on her anti-inflammatory diet.
Good job.
Yeah, she's all proud. Dad, do you feel better? I love her. How am I doing? I don't even know.
That means today's pizza day and you don't get none.
Yeah.
I get pizza. Skeletor gets pizza.
Today's her cheat day. I think she's having a club sandwich. Oh, wait. No, I'm cheating. I'm going out for supper with my wife. We're celebrating. I don't know what, but we're celebrating. We're going to find a reason to celebrate. I got Omnius's email address.
Bourbon?
In under
pizza.
A year.
Pizza and
it took
bourbon.
me a year to get his email address.
Pretty sure I gave it to like.
Yeah, pretty sure. I'm not
month.
100% sure.
Only thing I haven't given you is my phone number.
Yeah, bug off.
Guys, there's some creepy guy keeps asking me for my phone number. Does anybody have a good way to respond?
Guys, there's some creepy guy that wants to get my wife's phone number.
I feel like that's less creepy.
That's even worse.
Nah, that's less creepy. Okay, once again, Mike lives in Canada. And
okay, yeah, why don't you dox me? Now everyone knows where I live.
Canada, you told me that Canada's bigger than the United States. How are they gonna find you?
There's probably a crowd right out my door right now because of you. The neighbors are gonna complain.
Yeah, he tells me he's gonna show up at my home, and then he's like, "Give me your phone number." Like, hell no, you don't tell me he's gonna show up at my home.
100%, I am. There will be one day when you won't expect it. You're gonna have.
I told him we have guns in Florida, buddy. We have alligators. We have crocodiles. We have caiman.
Well, that'll make a great story.
We got 20-foot snakes.
Omnius accidentally shoots.
And we got guns.
His co-streaming partner. It'll give your channel a boost. Be the end of mine. And you can show the video if you have a doorbell camera or something. I told him. How many times did I tell him not to sneak up on me?
See, Lewis knows. You don't show up in Florida uninvited. Like, I don't care who you are. You have to call people in Florida before you show up knocking on the door.
I don't plan on breaking in. I'm not going to break a window and jump through your living room wearing a mask. I'm going to ring your bell. Doesn't Amazon ring your bell every time they leave a package?
No, they don't ever ring my bell.
They ring the bells here. They drop it on the floor. They ring the bell.
You know what I did the other day? Was it I'm not sure I think it was Amazon. My wife ordered a package. So, I think I was on stream. My dog was barking and stuff. Mm-hmm. And, so I'm like, what is going on? So I go out there and there's like two guys in front of my house. Like this old beat up truck. Like some boxes in the back.
Yeah.
And, I was like, what's going on? Are they like dropping off a package? Are they stealing a package? I'm like, okay, they're probably just dropping off. I open the door, the package is all beat up, ripped open. I'm like, what the hell? Am I trying to steal the stuff out the package? And like they didn't look like they were in any kind of official vehicle or anything. So I called my wife. I was like, I think two guys were trying to steal your package. And just trying to figure out what was going on. And then they sent a picture. You know, they drop stuff off and put a picture. Yep. And you could see in the picture the two guys in the truck. And she's like, nope, those were the guys dropping the package off. I'm like, why don't they like put something on the side of their truck that says like Amazon or something? Wonder how many times people
focus on trading.
Wonder how many times people get mad at them and they're like, look, I'm just here to drop your package off, man.
Gabor, I'm a big fan of DeSantis too, and Miss K, love the shirt. Thank you very much. I told Omnius I'd get him one, but he didn't tell me his size, so I didn't get him one. He said that's personal information, Mike. You know I'm not going to tell you my name, my address, my phone number, my email address. So I'm not giving you my shirt size.
Y'all know that 90% of what Mike says is made up, right? I mean, not the part about the address and the phone number and the shirt size.
The name.
Other stuff.
Yeah.
Michael been messing around with a strategy that uses Keltner, Bollinger Bands, and 3 EMAs. Loosely based on TTM, but I couldn't get the code correctly in MT5. Mike, what's TTM?
I know it. I have to see it. I forgot.
I feel like I should know this.
Yeah. No, you know it. I'm sure too. If you forced me to say something, I think it is... I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to open my mouth. Even if you're going to force me.
You know, like a TTM strategy or something? I'm thinking like TTM's supposed to have strategy after it.
Yeah. There was one, like I said, there's two indicators. It's one of the two. It's either a band, almost like a very wide standard deviation style band onto the price, but I'm thinking more it's a few lines down below on a separate window.
They're saying TTM squeeze.
Yeah. Oh, TDM squeeze. Okay,
yeah,
that's a volatility. That's a compression. And then
PDA says, is it cold in Canada? PDA, it's not cold in Canada. Don't let them fool you.
It is. It's freezing. We're having a very bad winter this year.
That's a conspiracy.
I don't know if you work on Celsius. We're minus 30 very often this year.
Hey, we were in the 30s this morning.
We're Celsius.
I don't know.
So minus 30 with a wind. It's not nice.
I remember the TTM squeeze. That was popular on Think or Swim.
Yeah. Simpler trading. I forgot the same as here, cold as hell. Yeah, it's really unpleasant. I don't want to go out.
Yeah, me neither. 30 degrees, it's crazy. All right, I need to Google it because y'all don't ever know y'all's math. Okay. How do you do 30 Celsius?
Minus 30 Celsius. You said 30 Fahrenheit. What's
my
30
keyboard's
Fahrenheit
not working.
Celsius? That's what you have to do. What's minus 30 Celsius in Fahrenheit? Minus 22 Fahrenheit. That's what we have right now. Yes.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Minus 30. When we have minus 30, what you would know it as minus 22 Fahrenheit.
No.
And what's
I would know it as we're going back to fucking Florida.
What's 30 Fahrenheit in Celsius? That's probably around 0 or 2. Yeah, minus 1.
So Celsius starts at the freezing point?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Don't ask.
Lewis, TTM squeeze is a volatility plus momentum indicator created by John Carter.
Hey, Meganator, minus 30 Celsius, minus 22 Fahrenheit. Yep. And the Labradors, yeah, the Labs, the Huskies, they love the cold weather.
Yep.
Especially the Huskies.
We'll come back to Florida. We'll see you in the spring.
Mm.
Trish, market's still looking bullish. Trish, good morning.
And Meg, you were right. You know what my daughter told me when I showed her the shirt yesterday?
What?
Dad, doesn't the camera get inverted for the stream? You needed to write it backwards.
Hey, you can invert the camera.
I don't think you can. We're doing it through Discord. You can, and
you can do it on the stream.
Oh, you're right.
You want me to do it for you so people on my stream can see you?
No. I know.
I'm pretty sure I have it inverted. No, it's good. It's quick and easy.
Yeah. I gotta go to transform.
Oh, transform. That's it. Oh, it won't let me because it's in use. Oh.
There we go.
It let you?
Yeah. There's only one problem.
What?
When I'm looking at my charts, look where I'm looking.
Nobody will notice. It's okay.
I'd have to put us on the other side.
Nah, it's fine. That looks great. Nobody noticed. You're looking the right way right now.
Edit. No, because now I'm looking at the wrong monitor. Now I'm looking at my control panel for OBS.
Oh my God.
What's the price of gold right now?
Time is. Let's do some qualifiers. You still trading?
Yeah.
You took 100 trades. You ain't done by now?
I didn't make any money today at all.
No.
Nothing. Very shitty day. You know what? Like I said, I came in late. I never had a feel on the market. I was out of sync with everything. Didn't have a bias. Don't know where we really are. You know, Mike was talking about a certain level or something, and I didn't even know what he's talking about.
Hey, can I jump in real quick? Hey,
Yes, you can.
Trish, Michael, Megan, PDH, type in giveaway question mark. Join the qualifier for today. Michael, you're going to do 2 qualifiers, right?
That's not you. I don't know where I got that from.
Why?
But that's not you. But it looks like you. 100%. It looks like you.
I
You
missed
are
whatever
not
you were.
the first person. They're not the first person to say it. And why? Because ever since I started using it, my views started to go up.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Anybody know what he's talking about?
My thumbnail.
Oh. Why you guys have my picture in your live thumbnail? Oh, that's Mike. He's from Canada.
But it sure does look like you. And you know what? It's not like I gave AI a picture. I don't even know where I got it from. Girls will like it. I don't know where I got it from. It's not like I took a picture from you and I went into AI and say, make me a copy. This is a picture, I think, just a standard stock photo out of Canva or something.
Come to think about it, I don't think you had any girls on the stream before that picture. Yeah, I think PDH might be right.
Everybody's hanging around waiting for that guy to show up. We're going to have him on the stream very soon. Just keep hanging out. Don't worry. Why are we short 5? Does anybody know? We're short 5 because of this chart right here, I think. Yes, let's see what happens. 100 to 200 is the key point. I don't know what that means. 25,100. Oh, okay.
Yeah, none of
let's
those
go
people
look again.
typed in giveaway. Oh well.
25,100. I don't know. We're pretty sinking here on the recent, as far as recent history goes. This is the 15-minute chart. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I could see 25,100, 150 being a. I see it. I do. Okay, so who's typed in giveaway? Good for short sale. It has been selling 3 days, so basically be careful. Short sale. It was longing whole day against new freshly shorts. I don't know what to do now because the bot is short, but everything I have is strong long. I mean, the bounce of 24,820 to 25,000, that's 180 points in, 20 minutes?
Thought the bot had to be below demand.
The one you're looking on the screen now?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't use the band. I don't even know why the band is there. I'm sorry. That band shouldn't even be there. No, this is Omni-Man is super trend.
You can put the band in also.
Well, I have the band somewhere to go with. I was using it on the 2600 for a band bounce, but I'm not going to use it on the. I'm not going to use it on the 1000 for a band bounce. I think it's in a channel, and I'll try to run in some point, but it will fail. Good for us. It has been selling 3 days, so be careful. We got stopped out, and we reversed. See, I have an error. It should have bought 10 to be long 5, but it bought 15. What are we talking about, PDH? It's been 3 days. I can hold it against new fresh shorts. I think it's in a channel. Try to run at some point, but it will fail. It was. Did you delete the messages? I don't know. I think I just went into an alternate universe. I was reading something else.
Nice push up for stocks today.
Wow, that was weird. I'm going to review the video because I just read.
Kind of makes me sad. I'm supposed to go buy some stocks. Didn't get a chance. Now they're all pushing up. I gotta find better pre-market trading.
Oh, I know what's the problem.
Lewis, okay, 2600 volume chart. Gets me in one candle earlier. Gonna watch it for a while. Yeah, check it out.
Let's fix Omni, man.
Lewis, you can also do a 1 minute Heikin-Ashi chart. I do that as well. Sometimes I like to see is the 1 minute showing a signal, is the 2600 showing a signal. How does that react to the 2 minute, 5 minute? Like I said, I have a super trend that colors mine like super tight. The settings are.
Run to 200.
The TS super trend, ATR, period 1, multiplier 1, moving average type, VMA, and a smoother 2. Super tight. Too low volume. Is the volume dying?
I don't know. I got 1.5 million. I don't have that as low.
It is a bit low.
1.5 million at 11:30. I disagree.
We had a lot of volume this morning, but you can see it kind of slowing down.
It is slowing down, but 1.5 million at 11:30 is not low. 700,000, 800,000, 900,000.
I'm not saying it's low on the day, saying it's kind of low now.
It's a Friday zombie rally. Yeah, okay, it's slowed down now. I concur.
It's Friday, it's 11:20. People are starting to take off, go to lunch.
I concur.
You want to go ahead and play some games?
I got nobody. I got Mikey and Miss K. You have people? Nobody typed anything in.
Lewis did. Miss K, Mikey.
Okay, we'll put in Lewis.
I guess do a qualifier for those three and
File save.
run the giveaway.
See you guys. Have a great weekend. You too.
PDH, have a good weekend.
Today, big volume equals panic. Yeah, big volume on a short sale. That's the recipe for good profits. Okay, let's have some fun. I don't feel like trading anymore. I'm good. Best way to stop trading is disconnect your account. Cancel all orders, positions, flatten everything, connections, disconnect. There we go. The trades are dead. What?
I think Mikey's scared that Miss K might crush his balls again.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Miss K, you don't like Bull and Ox?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 2 minutes to Wapner. Ah, I know why. Control copy.
Oh, so you passed the eval, made the activation, and then blew it? Yeah, that sucks.
File, save. Ta-da! But it's not last man standing.
Mike, why do we pass evals but we blow the masters?
I don't know.
Or do we just notice the masters more because they hurt a little bit more?
Nope. I think we change the way we do things. We get less structured, less disciplined. We just get too hungry for the money. The goal seems to be the sim funded account. So you're focused. You do what you need to do, you know, you're making your moves. Then when you get it, it's like, I got it.
Like
I'm there. Now I can do what I want. No. We should make it like a relay race. It's a 3-step relay race. You only made it 1/3 of the way.
Yeah.
Now you're passing on the baton. Now you got to get to the threshold, the safety threshold. Then you got to double it so that you can start taking out regular things. So don't until you get to your 50K account, your sim funded to 56,000.
Yep.
Say it.
It.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. I have swimmer's ear, according to Google. Not Google.
I'll be back in a minute.
ChatGPT says I have. Temperature aspect ratio 16:9, 11:30. Running out of time. Run. That is so funny. We have a trade at 97, targeting 04, and there you go. As I said, it went.
Those dang kids ate all my cookies.
Did it work?
I bet it was the girl, too. She looks all sweet and innocent, and then eats all your cookies. Anybody else have that problem?
No. My son complains about it over here when we buy cookies. He says me and my wife and my daughter eat all the cookies before he gets to touch, even have one of them. But the thing is, he's not a big junk food eater. So, you know, if he gets something, it could go like 2 weeks and he won't even open it.
Listen, we're going to settle this right now. When there's cookies and you open them, you better get you one because they're going to be gone quick.
Let's reconnect the accounts. Step 1. Step 2, let's launch the giveaway game. Okay, let's find the game here. There we go. There's one of them.
And I forgot all about the vertical stream today.
There's the second one. So who we got? We just got 3. 3 is good.
Who'd you put in?
Mikey Miss K. Lewis.
Yeah. Look, we're missing somebody. Lewis, we're slowly grinding up, holding until previous day's high or first big red candle. Don't care, already in profit. Let's take a look. So 25,166. Yep, I was looking at this gap that we had, but I guess we already filled that earlier. But breaking out of initial balance, 169. High 169. Yep. Mike, what you got?
I got a CPU that's screaming. We got to figure out why.
You didn't used to have issues, did you?
Nope.
Change anything?
No. I used to be at 50%. Now it's at 100.
Weird. Michael, did you ever type in giveaway question mark? What about Skeletor? You got him, right?
No. He was he in? I remember was talking to him.
Mm-hmm.
Looking. Prop Deals Hub. Meganator. Prop Deals. Miss K. Hey, there did I see him? No. PDH. PDH. Wood chip. Anyways, we'll put him in. I don't see him, but we'll put him in. Gabor the Hun. Are you still there, Gabor? Type in giveaway. I think I even told him about it. And you know what? I told him show up next week because, there we go, Skeletor. I told him show up next week because it's a new game.
Well, we could do one or two qualifiers if you want, and then do the giveaway.
Sure. What's the name of, you said you had someone on your side, Michael? Michael Odom?
Yeah, but he never typed in giveaway.
He's gone?
Michael, you still there? No.
See if he's around.
Trish asked her to type in giveaway. She never did.
Yeah, you snooze, you lose.
Don't want to force anybody to be in a giveaway.
That's right. Well, yeah, give it to the people that want to play.
You're going to be getting in trouble. They forced me to be in a giveaway.
Yeah.
Oh, Michael's there. You got giveaway.
Okay. Yeah, okay, give me a sec. I'm just going to go take a, like Miss K said, a potty break.
Okay. Today's game, we'll do a qualifier or two. Whatever y'all want, don't matter. And then today's giveaway will be for 50K Bullinox account. Miss K, I'm not in the potty pooping. Just had to pee-pee. Thanks for the heads up. We all wanted to know. Miss K, are you on your phone in the potty now? Doesn't being on the phone just kind of help things go along? It's like, I guess before you used to have like magazines or something you'd read, but now you just kind of hop on the phone.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Is my mic on?
No, you're muted.
Do I understand correctly? No potty pooping pee-pee? No pee-pee popping. Pooping pee-pee? Potty? In the potty?
No, just pee-pee in the potty.
No pee-pee potty poopy. Potty pee-pee.
Lewis, if it's yellow, drink more water.
Hey, we do what
Yep.
we have to do.
If it's yellow, you're dehydrated. Drink more water.
Okay, so let's close some things down. Ninja Trader, don't need it. Goodbye.
If you're peeing and it's a dark orange, you got problems. You need to go
Okay, Doctor.
Drink a
Phil
2
here.
liter of water. It's funny because the kids in Cub Scouts and when they go to the camp and stuff, they got posters everywhere. It shows like the shades of yellow.
Mm-hmm.
How about when it's more like a gel than a liquid? I guess try not to cry. I don't know. It sounds painful. Steady stream of gel. I don't know. Does it burn? Be honest, I won't tell anybody.
What? No, there's no gel. Nobody pees gel. I never heard of that.
I mean, pee's a liquid. I mean, if you don't have enough water in the liquid, yeah, it's a bit gel-like.
Yeah.
Even when not pee.
Jellyfish.
Don't they have medicine for that? Or, I think what they do is they take it and they lay it on a table and whack it with a mallet.
Hmm.
I don't know. I heard that once. I don't know if it's true or not.
Are we blowing any wind? We are blowing a wind. The wind will be blowing.
Where's your camera? You hiding?
No.
Incognito?
No, it's not that. But right now, I guess my computer's still having mild problems. And it's taking up... apply settings. It's taking up too much CPU. For whatever reason.
How do I think you found yourself in this situation? Well,
how do you think I found myself in this situation?
There's a few ways it happens. I'm
Too
going to
much
let Mike
creatine.
explain all of them to you.
Too much creatine. My CHAEL Odom. Number 1. Number 2, too much Jello.
You talking about the gel or the burning?
Either way. Number 3, which this is a possibility. Hold on. Did you purchase any of this and actually put it on toast?
Your balls will be aerodynamic, frictionless, and fully optimized for this week's giveaway games. Smooth Operator wishes you all the best in today's giveaway game. But keep in mind, he's been exposing
Keep
his
in
ball.
mind, this slippage control gel and premium ball polish is not edible. It doesn't matter that it smells like bubble gum or strawberries.
Man, you got to put a disclaimer on everything nowadays, don't you?
Do not eat it by the teaspoon. That is ball polish. Don't use it as a lube. and then go down on your wife. I'm sure that's what happens. I got it. We figured it out.
Lewis said we're not going to get monetized this way.
No. Okay, guys. This is a new game. Lead the field.
I don't know, Lewis. If I show you that ad that I seen yesterday watching with the kids, this is like PG stuff.
Yeah.
Man, these ads are getting crazy.
Yeah. Omnius. You see the background. Lead the standy field.
Oh, it's different.
Yeah, lead the standy field. Lead the field. I didn't have time to make a good graphic yet. That's what AI gave me so far. I'm scrambling, guys, fixing the computer, making new games. I create new games while I'm fixing the computer. Go figure. Okay, there's going to be a 2-minute shot clock or a 2-minute game clock. You got to get into the take profit pit. If you get into the take profit pit, you get 5 points. There's going to be a scoreboard on the left side. If you go into take profit pit and you get your 5 points, you shoot out again. You continue. It's a scramble. The one to get the most points in 2 minutes. If there's a tie, we go into overtime until a winner is declared. 30-second overtime periods. The period runs the full 30 minutes, full 30 seconds. Hello, good people. Mosemi, you have just in time if you want to make it into the qualifier. So yeah, we go into overtime. If there's a tie, that whole 30-second overtime period has to play out. And if there's a winner at the end, he will be declared. He or she will be declared. If not, we go into another overtime period. So, Mosemi, are you trying to get in? Good people? Mosemi the chef?
Mosemi, you got 20 seconds to type giveaway, question mark.
You know what? That might not be enough. He's from Kenya. There could be a longer delay, eh? It is a possibility.
Hey?
Okay. In the meantime, let me mark up the qualifiers.
Mikey, we know you love the pit, so this game, man, come on.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have any problems.
I ain't in the game. How do I get in? You have to type in giveaway question mark. Giveaway? Like that. Giveaway? There's a giveaway? What's a giveaway? I hope it works. Giveaway? Omnius trade. You still made a mistake, Mosemi, but it's good enough. This is going to be my jam. One word, horny.
Homie.
Oh, no, homie. Sorry, I couldn't read it from...
What were you reading there?
Well, I don't have my glasses on.
Well, I don't know. You're hiding.
I don't have my glasses on.
Why are you still hiding?
Yeah, well, I told you I can't come on. My
Oh.
Discord is... I had a problem with Discord, and Discord is using too much CPU. I had to slow it down. Okay, we got to get this... We got
another horny. Everybody's
Yeah, give me a
horny
second.
Friday?
Are you ready to go, Omnius?
Yeah, but she's not here yet.
You know what? I can maybe share my screen. Let's see. So you can watch it live. I'll let you call it out. You're going to see the scores on the left. The pit's in the middle. Let me just check my CPU by sharing the screen. I want the game to run well. It's a preview of a new game.
That might be why it's been having issues.
Yeah, I'm at 80%. That's too high.
All right, turn the screen off, and
We'll
what
see.
you could do is just, since you got your camera off, just make the game full screen.
No, I don't know what that means.
What do you mean? You got our cameras, but you got yours off, so just make the game full screen.
No, it puts it out of...
Oh my god. There you go. Perfect.
No good. It's all fucked up. What do you mean
Why was
perfect?
Why was it fucked up?
It was all screwed up.
Okay, do whatever you're doing.
Don't get angry at me. I'm trying my best here. Hold on. There we go. Perfect.
You got Mosemi in the game. You got Lewis
I
in the
don't
game.
remember.
This is the qualifier.
Mosemi, Lewis. Yep.
Who was the
Mikey, Miss K, Lewis, Skeletor, Michael Odium, and Mosemi.
And who was the pre-market for the extra balls? Mikey, Miss K, Lewis.
Oh, no. We can't do extra balls with this. It's just too much of an advantage. Yeah, no, this is on extra balls. I don't think this is on extra ball hold. But this is an extra qualifier, so there you go. It's double. Let's go. Call it down.
I can't
3, 2,
see
1.
it.
It's in Discord.
You tell me you weren't going to show it because you're having
No,
problems.
I didn't tell you that. I didn't know. That's not what I said at all.
All right, go. Do it.
What do I want to do? I'm going to do fire.
Fire. We got to count down 2 minutes?
Yeah, no. It's a 2-minute game. Omnius, 5 points. Lewis, 10 points. Lewis is in the lead. The leader is always highlighted in blue. Lewis, 10 points. Omnius, 10 points. We got Skeletor with 5. Mosemi with 5. Omnius takes the lead with 15 points. Skeletor is going in the pit, up to 10. Futures gets his first. No, Futures is up to 10. Miss K, where do you have? Miss K, you haven't gone in the pit yet once. Mosemi knocks Skeletor. They were both going in. Lewis gonna bring.
See, for so long you told them not to go in the pit. Now they're scared. Guys, this one's to take profit.
You're doing really well, Omnius. Michaelodium, that was your first one. 5 points. Mikey, 5. Michaelodium, 10.
Mikey got pushed out of the way.
Michaelodium, 15. Skeletor, 15. Mikey, 10. Oh, Musemi got slaughtered. Wow, Michaelodium is really making a comeback there. Oh, Omnius increases his lead. Miss K. But the good news is, Omnius can't win. And there's still 45 seconds, but Omnius is just finding the pit. He's like dunking it. Skeletor, 20.
Told y'all it was a good day for take profit.
Miss K, 15. Back. A little bit.
Oh,
back.
look at that.
Skeletor.
Look. Oh, there we go.
Skeletor, you were doing it there. 25. Skeletor looks like he's headed for the pit. He's headed for the pit. Oh, Miss K gives him a knock. Miss K gives him a knock, goes in the pit, shoots out, and comes out and gives him another knock and sends him to the side. Miss K's making a bit of a comeback there, eh? 25 seconds.
Once she found out it was the take profit pit, not the stop loss.
Okay, you know what? Let's take out Futures and Omnius. Delete.
Y'all see that? I win. What do I get for winning? I get kicked out of the game. Y'all believe this?
Done. Save and apply. Let's see if we can pick up the speed a little bit.
Yeah.
Time scale. 0.8. Oh, I didn't set the wind. There we go. Apply settings. Okay, let's go again. Burst. All of you out at the same time. How many people we got? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Mosami, 5 points.
They need a countdown.
Don't make it too difficult. Mosami, 10 points. A double dunk. Miss K gets a good bounce from Michaelodium. A nice little friendly nudge into the pit. Mosemi looks like he might try and float in. And Lewis. Mosemi's up to 15. We got Miss K and Lewis.
Who do we got? Mosemi 15, Lewis 15, Miss K 5, Mikey. Mikey, what's going on, buddy? If that pit said stop out, Mikey would be in it 10 times already. I'm not here.
Mosemi still leading the field with 49 seconds to go. Still a lot of time to take it from him. Whoa, Lewis catches up, but Mosemi throws himself back in the pit. Skeletor, no, bounces off.
Where is Mikey? No wonder he ain't got in the pit. Oh, man, this game's rigged.
Mikey blew out the physics.
Oh, my God. Mikey.
He shot through the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right, there's 5 balls. It can happen to anybody. That's what happens when you hit winner, Lewis, 45 points. There we go. Write it down.
Lewis, good job. I lost sound. I get muted? I'm not muted. do you mean you lost sound? You gotta turn your speaker on.
Yeah, I hear you there.
I hear me.
Mm-hmm.
Lewis, good job. Guys, type in GG for Lewis. Glitch in the Matrix. Oh, there you go. You're on the right channel now. Definitely a glitch in the Matrix. Glitch in the Matrix. Oh, there you go. You're on the right channel now. The damn keyboard won't work. Guys, GG for Lewis. Keyboard won't work. Guys, GG.
Okay, let's get rid of the pegs.
Mike, you gotta turn your sound off, buddy. Okay.
No pegs. This is going to be a pegless game. Lewis.
Michael, you want to join the giveaway? You got to type in giveaway ?
Michael who? Michael Odium?
Yeah.
He's in already.
Is he? Okay.
Yeah,
Never
we
mind.
put him in. You said he was in.
Okay. Never mind. You're in. Okay.
You said he's in. Ready to go for number 2.
You got to turn your speaker off, man.
Me?
Yeah.
Why? You don't like the echo?
No.
Speaker's off. Someone is being blocked by that word qualifier. No. Ah, I see what you mean. You are so right. Who was so kind to tell me that? Mosami. Thank you very much, Mosami. There we go. Perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So,
right. One more
we are
qualifier.
ready. One more qualifier.
This is the last qualifier for the day.
Sure, then I'll change the game.
Okay. Mikey, sorry about you going out the board. Not much can be done about that, I guess. Game's a work in progress.
Yeah, no, this hasn't even, look at the background. The lead the standy field, supposed to be lead the field.
Guys, just so y'all know, these games don't make themselves. They take hours and hours and hours of work. So, of course, we're going to have issues here and there.
Yeah, especially when there's a new version. This is barely beta tested.
Uh-huh.
But it's a good time to beta test. It's a good time to beta test it because
we got some people on the board. Mikey 5, Miss K 5, Osimi 10, Michael 5. But y'all see that I won and got kicked out of the game, right? Y'all seen that?
out of the game.
Like, you win, you're out of here.
Miss K, oh, you were going for the lead there. It's a wide pit, eh? But yet, when it
Yeah.
was a stop-loss pit, they were all able to find it. Now they're all running around like a bunch of blind men. Michael, you look like you're going to hit it. Oh, you hit the post.
Where is
Skeletor
my
got a big
ball?
boost there. Who's that?
Lewis.
We're down to 5 again. Lewis got, now this time Lewis shot out.
Yeah, I guess so.
Lewis got beta tested. Mosami.
Osimi. So we'll definitely have to do the giveaway on the other game. Lewis, sorry about
Yeah,
that.
yeah, for sure.
This
For sure,
game's-
for sure. This game's fucked up.
Mike, I think today was the first day on this game, wasn't it?
First day, yeah.
Yeah. So, sorry about that. Like I said, these games take a long time to program.
First day,
we're gonna have
unbeta
issues.
tested. Yeah. I didn't even get to test it yet. So this was actually
This
one
is
of my
rigged.
first tests.
Yeah, it's rigged. I won. I got kicked out of the game.
Okay.
Mosemi, that's the qualifier, so we're fixing to do the giveaway now.
You'll tell me.
The next game is the one that counts for 50K Bullinox account.
The Bullinox. Yeah, I think you have to explain to him again.
What's the reward?
That was a qualifier.
Mosemi, that's the qualifier. You won an entry into the final game for the giveaway account. We do qualifiers Monday through Thursday. We generally don't even do qualifiers on Friday. But we've seen a few people that weren't in the game and wanted to give y'all the opportunity to join also.
There was a little bit of a bonus there.
If y'all like doing qualifiers on Friday, let us know. If y'all don't think we should just go straight to the giveaway game, let us know.
Can I vote?
No, your vote don't count. You kicked me out of the game.
I'm not a big fan of doing qualify. I think it's kind of unfair. If you know what I mean. People qualify during the week, and then you're kind of
Whose show? Who runs the show?
A few other people.
I don't even know who runs. I don't even know who runs this show.
So unfair.
We're gonna have to like vote in a captain or something.
We alternating days.
I just show up and hang out with some friends and do some trading, and I don't know what everybody else does.
Okay, we're getting there. Guys, we're just a few seconds away.
The only reason Mike shows his chart, so at the end of the day, he can say, look, I got more money than you. And then the only reason I show my chart, so sometimes at the end of the day, I can tell him I got my money more than him.
We're good?
You gotta take the qualifier off.
Yeah, it's off already.
Got you. For the account, guys. This one is for the account. This is the one that matters. All the others didn't matter. So, lube your balls. Get your game face on. Put on your lucky t-shirt. Whatever it takes.
Who were the two that qualified today? Mosemi
and Lewis.
No? Okay, well, Lewis has 3 balls. And we got Darius, Mr. Knife, Skelly, Mikey, Skelly. That's Skelly number 2. Okay. Bama has 2.
Once again, this is for the account. This is the game that matters.
2. Starboy, there we go. So Miss K with 2, Gilad with 2, Bama with 2. Skelly with 2. Mikey, I'm not sure. I think he got 1. Skelly, Mr. Knife, Darius, Lewis. Lewis is the only one with 3. Save and apply. 16 players loaded.
Guys, the game is sponsored by Bullinox. If you haven't checked them out, check them out. I'm sure most people know about Bullinox. So, if you don't get the account today, they don't really have a sale yet, so I don't know what to tell you. I'd wait for a sale. Let me check real quick. Sometimes they like to throw it on us in the middle of the day. Nope. No sale. So if you don't win the day, you'll have to wait till there's a good sale to go buy.
Okay, we're ready to go.
Mike,
For the account.
Mike, can you put the for the account at the top or something? So it's not like taking up center of the board? Is that possible?
There we go. What are the rules? I think you just got to make it into the winner's pit. I forgot. We haven't played this one in a long time. First one into the winner's pit.
Now this one, if you stop out, you come back out, right?
I don't remember.
I don't remember
I
either.
don't think. I don't remember. Really? Who knows?
However the game goes, guys, we don't guarantee any mishaps won't happen.
Whatever happens to one can happen to the other.
If it does happen, yeah, it could have happened to anybody, so not much we can do. Mike, you gonna share your screen or no?
What do you mean?
Thought that was a pretty straightforward question. Mike, are
No,
you gonna
I didn't.
share your screen or no?
In Discord?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Goes without saying. You don't even have to ask.
Yeah, like you're ready to press the button.
You're right. Where's the game? Okay, we're all ready to go. That took a long time to set up. One other thing, let's just get Omnius in the proper position.
Oh man, then people can see me. What if they're staring at me?
Is that right?
I gotta stare back?
There we go. It's all ready to go. Omnius, when you're ready, press fire.
Fire. Look, when are we gonna get somebody else on in the Discord to narrate the game?
Whoa, they all came out slow. This is going to take forever.
Start it over. Speed it up. Almost got lunch to eat.
Did he shoot back out?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Okay, guys, we're going to have to start it over. It's going too slow. Bounce. It's
I don't think the wall's breaking either.
I haven't played this game in a long time. I forgot how we played it. Yeah, the wall is
Oh, I see it. So there. Okay.
apply settings. No, we're starting over. We're starting over. We're starting over. There we go. Burst.
There we go. So if they stop out, they're out?
Well, that ball is out. Everyone's got multiple balls. The wall is already cracked. There's already a crack in the foundation.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
A couple of people can try and squeeze through. There you go. It's even
Guys.
larger.
First one in the winter pit.
Nobody stopped out yet. Miss K's floating around one of the stop out pits.
Oh, Lewis was trying to go, man. Oh, Lewis is really trying.
Yeah, Lewis won.
Man, Lewis
two,
ain't messing around.
Woo! Gets a bump off Mosemi. I thought that was going to work out for you. Starboy comes into the picture. Darius, Miss K, we got a lot of people floating around. Starboy hits the post.
Oh, Lewis.
Lewis comes in for the win.
Wow.
That was a nice bump off Mr. Who? Mr. Knife?
Lewis,
Yeah,
you didn't need bigger balls.
Got a bump off Mr. Knife.
All right, Lewis, for the 50K Bullinox.
Lewis, we will contact you. Join in the Discord. We will contact you in the Discord, and we will let you know what you need to give to us so that we can confirm your identity. And though I'm not closing that, I'm closing this. Congratulations, Lewis.
Lewis, real quick, are you
One of these days. Yes, Mikey.
Have no idea how to trade props. Yeah, literally like what, a day or two ago, you was like, I've never traded prop before. That's crazy. That's okay. Hey, good time to start. Lewis, are you on Mike's Discord? If not, can you please head over to his channel? Links in the description. At the top says no. Okay. Can you please head over to his channel? Links in the description, says co-host. Click on that link. It'll take you to Mike's channel. And if you click on his description, scroll down. Mike, I don't see your Discord. You do have Discord in there. Okay, I see it. Yeah, you'll see Discord in his description. Can you please click on that? And Mike, you want him to just say hi in the general chat or what?
Anywhere, just say hi, and then we'll tell him where he's got to go click in his browser to confirm his identity.
Lewis, if you could please do those steps now so we can get that cleared up, make sure we got it.
Not that big of a rush.
Well, just make sure we got it taken care of.
Yeah.
It is the weekend, so.
Oh, it's true. It's true. Lewis, I need Lewis to come into my chat. You know why? No, maybe not.
Yeah, you can just type in the general chat. Let us know he's there. Then you can get whatever from him.
I wanted to click on his name, on the side there with hyper chat or whatever, because he's not in my chat. I don't have him. He never registered. I never got any of his. I never was able to scrape any of his data.
That's my Discord link. We need your Discord.
Let's go see.
You want me to send you a picture or what?
No, I'm going to your thing. I think my hyper chat will work in your with your chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. There he is.
Is your Discord link working? I still don't see him.
I have no idea.
Oh God, we're sending to a link you don't even know is working.
You click on it. I had to build the games. You make my life so difficult. Look at the time. It's 12:14.
Discord. Continue to Discord.
Copy paste. You remember what you told, eh? What you said?
Yeah, it's working.
You click on that thing on down the little circle on the top right, and it opens up. You're the only one who can do that.
Mm-hmm.
So what am I going to see? I'm going to see the two. Yeah. That's so logical. Yeah. Okay, so I saved this thing here. File, save as. You want to say goodbye while I'm saving as?
I still don't see Lewis in the Discord. I guess I better check mine. Did he go to mine? Don't see him there either.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Lewis, you still there?
So I was right. Apex stopped. Stop
he is
trading
there.
in the currencies.
Okay. All right, he's there. All right, so you got him.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll go sit. Guys, thanks for hanging out. Sorry for all the problems. Hopefully next week will be a better week. Usually we don't have technical difficulties like this, but my computer's been acting up. I thought I cleared out all the problems yesterday. I think we're 90% done. Maybe even 90%, 95% done. We'll be back on the mic Monday morning, 9:15 or earlier, and we will be playing Lead the Field next week. So that's a fun game. I like that game, especially when there's more balls in there. We'll figure out how to get multiple balls so it can keep the score going. I'll work on that on the weekend, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for hanging out. That's it. Hit the like button on your way out if you haven't done that already. Omnius?
Anything else you need from Lewis?
I will. I'll get there. I'm going to go later.
But nothing on nothing from the YouTube chat?
I got everything.
Okay. All right, guys. Everybody have a good weekend. And see everybody Monday. Later, guys. Appreciate everyone.
Take care, guys. Bye.
Trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end.